Hey everyone, welcome to FitMind Wellness. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to achieve weight loss in a healthy and sustainable way. There are a lot of myths and misconceptions out there when it comes to weight loss, so we're going to be sharing some science-backed tips that you can implement in your daily routine to achieve your weight loss goals. Make sure to click the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell to get more updates from us. We also give out free products to our subscribers randomly, so please subscribe now. Let's get started. 1. Set realistic goals. The first tip for achieving weight loss is to set realistic goals. Many people make the mistake of aiming for quick fixes or crash diets that promise instant results. However, these methods are not sustainable and can actually be harmful to your health. Instead, aim for a healthy weight loss of 1 to 2 pounds per week. This may not seem like a lot, but it adds up over time and is much more sustainable in the long run. 2. Keep track of your food intake. The second tip is to keep track of your food intake. Keeping a food diary can help you identify your eating patterns and make healthier choices. There is a link in the description of this video for more info. To track your food intake and monitor your calorie intake, this can help you stay within your daily calorie limit and achieve your weight loss goals. 3. Stay hydrated. The third tip is to stay hydrated. Drinking enough water can help you feel full and prevent overeating. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. You can also try drinking herbal tea or infused water for a refreshing and healthy way to stay hydrated. 4. Eat more fiber. The fourth tip is to eat more fiber. Fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help you feel full and prevent cravings. Aim for at least 25 grams of fiber a day. Some great sources of fiber include berries, broccoli, quinoa, and beans. 5. Choose lean protein. The fifth tip is to choose lean protein sources. Lean protein sources like chicken, fish, and tofu can help you feel full and maintain muscle mass. Aim for at least 20 to 30 grams of protein per meal. Some great sources of protein include grilled chicken, salmon, and lentils. 6. Avoid processed foods. The sixth tip is to avoid processed foods. Processed foods are often high in calories, sugar, and unhealthy fats. Choose whole foods instead. Some great whole food options include fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein sources. 7. Practice mindful eating. The seventh tip is to practice mindful eating. Mindful eating involves paying attention to your food and eating without distractions. This can help you enjoy your food more and prevent overeating. Some ways to practice mindful eating include taking small bites, chewing slowly, and savoring the flavors and textures of your food. 8. Get enough sleep. The eighth tip is to get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can disrupt your hormones and lead to overeating. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Some ways to improve your sleep quality include establishing a regular sleep routine, avoiding caffeine and alcohol before bedtime, and creating a relaxing sleep environment. 9. Exercise regularly. The ninth tip is to exercise regularly. Exercise can help you burn calories and maintain muscle mass. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week. Some great forms of exercise include brisk walking, cycling, and swimming. 10. Stay consistent. The 10th and final tip is to stay consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to sustainable weight loss. Make healthy choices a part of your daily routine. Some ways to stay consistent include meal planning, scheduling your workouts, and tracking your progress. So those are our 10 tips for achieving weight loss in a healthy and sustainable way. Remember, it's not about perfection, but progress. Start small and stay consistent. By implementing these tips in your daily routine, you can achieve your weight loss goals and live a healthier, happier life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content.